You've been lied to about online business. It's not the funnel, it's not the guru, and it's definitely not the shiny software. The real reason most people fail is because they're stuck with a company page. No traffic, zero duplication, and nobody tells you that up front. Stick with me into the end because I'm going to show you the exact numbers from my own account, the clicks I bought, the leads that came in, the commissions that hit my bank, and how you can plug into the same duplication engine that's already building my list for me even while I sleep. This is the Home Business Academy cost breakdown. Make money online secrets. Tired of paying for traffic that never converts? Sick of watching others duplicate results while your replica page collects dust? Frustrated that you're doing the work but not building a list that you actually own? Wondering why this so-called business feels more like a bill than an asset? That ends today. Because I'm not just telling you what's possible, I'm showing you proof of how duplication 80% can flip the script. Ever notice how the gurus brag about freedom while you're chained to chasing friends and family? Ever feel like you're posting nonstop on social media and getting nothing but crickets? Ever wonder why your so-called team never duplicates and you're left carrying the whole load? Ever get that sinking feeling that you're building someone else's brand instead of your own? That's why we built a system that does the heavy lifting, traffic, duplication, payouts, so you can finally stop grinding and start scaling. And that's why we're using a system just like that. Several days ago, about 200 clicks. Within about 30 hours, 149 fresh leads had opted in. That's a 75% opt-in rate. Now I want to show you what that looks like. Give me a half a second. Okay, so that's from my the company rotator I'm in. Okay, 13 here, 14, 27 people that's opted into my list from my done for you rotator. That rotator is a bonus we offer you, and you not only you can get in my rotator and get 50% of the first traffic, you'll get the most of anybody else, but also you can build your own rotator, which means you'll begin $128 anytime somebody goes all in, which is what the requirement to be in the rotator. Your income will increase $120 every single month. So, and let me say the other one. There it is. So 149 opt-ins, okay? It's not 140, there are 200 clicks, 149 opt-ins, that's 75% conversion rate. Okay? Now, then the results started stacking. I woke up to an email showing $28 in rebill commissions. I had $145 auto deposit to my bank account from someone I had never even spoken to. My monthly residual is at 176, and I'm pacing for about 2,112 in the next 12 months. That's duplication in action, and the system and the team working exactly the way they're supposed to. And that's why I call this the Home Business Academy cost breakdown. Make money online secrets. Okay, and this is how the commissions break down. Then I'll show you income proof, right? At the $25 level, you're positioned to earn $20 per month per person. At the $125 level, you're positioned to earn $100 per month. Again, 80% commissions. Add the funnel builder, and you're earning another $20 a month at 80%. Add the Let's Go app, and that's another $8 a month at 80%. Stack them together, and you suddenly got multiple streams of residual income, all paying out 80% commissions. And here's the kicker. When you add those tools, also put your link into my rotator and buy traffic for both of us out of commissions. So I'm buying it out of profit. That means you're not just holding a replicated page, you're plugged into a duplication engine that builds your list, grows your team, and creates leverage you can pass on. So I'm going to show you what the commissions actually look like. So look at how it says 2 account Bank of America. I'm going to actually log into that. $34.50, pause if you need to. $145, or write it down. $6.50 and $34.50. And you see how they all say Bank of America. So I'm going to actually show you what those commissions really look like inside my account. Who else is showing you that? Now I'm going to show you the emails that go to Bank of America. I'm going to actually log into my Bank of America account, right? and show you proof positive this is actually working for me, okay? So the first thing we're looking at is for the $145. There it is, Home Business Academy, 145 payout. This actually automatically deposited in my account because I had set it up, right? As did the $6.50. Once you set it, it automatically goes into your account by itself, okay? $34.50 and $83.05. And notice how those aren't negatives, okay? They're residual commissions. You have residual bills like rent, car note, cell phone, Netflix, etc., etc., auto insurance. You need residual income, right? And here's what most people miss. Even at the $25 level, you're not just buying access, you're locking arms with me. That means I help you build traffic, leads, signups, and potentially sales for any program you're in. Okay, you plug them into the HBA, you plug them into this Team Freedom Warriors site, and we also give you another bonus, right? SFW free. These two things, the Simple Freedom Warriors training and the Team Freedom Warriors training, is exactly what I'm doing every day to dominate YouTube, and I'm about to show you what that looks like if you just stick with me, okay? You get you get weekly, monthly 80% commissions, but they pay weekly. So let's say you get 2 people one week and you get 2 people the next week. Well, those 2 people the one week will get paid on the next week, right? The next following week, right? And then a month later, even if you get commissions from other new people, you're going to get paid again if they stay with the system. Does that make sense? It pays monthly, but you get paid every week on the commissions from before, okay? Kind of like when you're getting a new paycheck, okay? The paper starts, and then you get paid the following Friday or whatever the payday is, you know? So, you get instant commissions to your bank account, right? If you're in Simple Freedom Wars, you get paid. You get 50% commissions to your favorite payment processor. This comes in free, and you earn 50% commissions on all products. What does that mean? It means if somebody goes all in and buys at the $3,000 level, because they want all the training, you get $1,500 to your favorite payment processor. Okay? I have like 7 or 8 set up with mine. You could do the same thing. That's duplication at its core. Your members get trained, their members get trained, and you get paid while the system scales. How cool is that? A rotator isn't just a gimmick. It's USA only targeted leads. Every time someone joins your rotator, your monthly income increases by $128 per month. Okay? That's why duplication scales so fast, because the bonus itself creates leverage. Okay? We're not just giving you these bonuses, you can give them away too, okay? You can give this exact bonus away to your own team, which means your duplication multiplies. You become the person everybody wants to join. When you break this down, the math lines up perfectly. The payouts, the duplication, and the leverage. And instead of painting a dream, I'm showing you the dirt, the real numbers, the real leads, the real commissions, okay? The truth is, hustle without duplication burns people out. But when you combine a system that trains your team for you, traffic that's already flowing, and payouts that actually make sense, you've got something you can scale. That's why you build a training site that goes hard for you. Okay? It's right here. The first step, right, is to plug in with this guy right here who's showing you all the videos on how to do everything step by step. You can pause it and replay it at your leisure. You meet with him on one of these days, pick a day and a time, okay? And then he takes you how to get your system set up, okay? He also meets with you Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. You can get the time zone conversion right here, and you enter the training room. He's going to help you build whatever business you want to build, right? How cool is that? You're gaining a mentor free, okay? Okay? And even if you can't make this time, he actually met with me for 2 to 3 weeks after I got off my job and got home, okay? This guy is amazing. I learned more with him in 1 month than I learned with everybody else in 15 years, right? You also get 150 done for you emails you can import in seconds if you have Aweber. Look right here, 150 email swipes. That's 5 months if you mail every day. If you mail every 2 days, that's nearly a year full of content. Again, this helps you get sales while you're out living your life and even sleeping, okay? You build know, like, and trust with people. We have everything you need in these two systems, right? And the rest, HBA goes hard teaching you stuff. Okay, depending on your level, if you're in with the premium, they teach you how done for you. Free and paid traffic, right? And they also meet every single day with that particular system. Okay, the premium. This is the daily blueprint I use to rank and dominate on YouTube and rank on Google, Instagram, and even Facebook, okay? Duplication bonus you can pass on to your own team, which means you get paid while we train them, okay? We're training them for you. If you're getting value from this breakdown, hit the like and subscribe, because every day actually, I drop new proof and strategies you can model to scale your own business. And drop a quick comment below if you've ever felt stuck with a replicated page. I read everyone and I'll reply personally because I know exactly how that feels. So here's the challenge. Are you going to keep spinning your wheels with the replicated page as it sits there? Are you ready to plug into a system that's already working? I'm going to show you how good it works, right? And how good it works if you actually stay consistent, okay? This is the stuff that can happen for you. I'm just following the daily blueprint, okay? So, as you can see, I'm incognito. That means I'm not logged in, right? When I Home Business Academy make money on fast, I'm the number 2 video, okay? If I go to Home Business Academy DFY marketing system, watch what happens. Bear with me, it's loading. So I'm the number 1 video. The number one result is a video on YouTube. It loaded again. Okay. Right here, the number 1 result. And look, another Instagram post, another Instagram post, another Instagram post, all on the first page of Google, okay? Now watch, when I do the same term, Home Business Academy DFY marketing system, I get multiple videos, okay? One time term, I can show you about 15 to 20 videos, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, every time you see my face, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This was a video that from a month ago, right? 9, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Let's see if we can get to 20. 18. Almost there. 19 and 20. Imagine you just following the training, doing the steps every single day, okay? If something works, wouldn't you double down and keep doing it, right? And then you post something one time and you get traffic for months, days, weeks, years even, okay? There's so many videos here from a one-time work. I showed you, stop at 20. I've already gotten 23 or 24 results. And some of these are 2 years ago. Look, 2 years ago. This guy's video is still breaking on like the 4th or 5th page of YouTube, right? I've shown you the numbers, the duplication, the payouts, and the bonuses. The only thing left for you is to take action. This is the real Home Business Academy cost breakdown, make money online secrets. The results I've shared are my personal experience. Your results with HBA, the Home Business Academy, will depend on your effort, consistency, and ability to follow the training. This isn't a guarantee of income. We do not know if you're going to stick with it and keep doing what you're doing, or you're going to expect that there's going to be a check waiting for the next day. No, if this is a business, you got to work it, just like you work any job. Okay? If you don't show up, you don't get paid. And you get fired. Okay? So this isn't a guaranteed income, but it's proof that the system works when you work it. Now it looks like I have a little time for this. I'm going to do some training, right? I'm going to click over here. Sorry. Pick the wrong thing. Okay, so we're going to go to the video right here, right? We're going to click on this title, right? We're going to copy. We'll go back to my funnel, okay, the funnel builder, which I may not have open. There it is, okay. I'm going to cover this old one. This is all copy and paste simple, okay. You can make any video into a funnel and get more traffic and eyeballs on your offer, okay. You send this to your email list, okay. We're going to help you build your own email list. The money is in the list, okay? Now we're going to go back to the video, right? We're going to hit this share code, right? And again, copy and paste simple. We're going to copy this share code, right? We're going to go back here, right? Watch, this video is going to change. We're going to edit video. We're going to cut and paste. Watch this video change. Build any business, free lifetime traffic. I might have a different one, but it was before it was different. So, and then yeah, all you do is hit save. Then we're going to do one more thing that's really powerful, and a lot of people aren't doing. We're going to copy this phrase, this title, right? We're going to go right here, and we're going to put it in 4 different times, okay? So you find the latest video, you hit show settings, and you're going to copy this over and over again. Paste. It actually makes the URL for you, okay? Paste. We're going to go to SEO, page name. Sorry, the page title. Boom, we're going to do it again. I don't know why it keeps on changing off a copy paste, but hey, the world isn't always simple. Sometimes things don't work the way they're supposed to. Paste, and you hit save. I'm not going to save because I don't want to save over extra what I have right there. Okay, I have a system, but that's what you do. Save, and you're good. Okay, better to change the first 4 things and then save here so you don't. I've had things revert, but it's very simple. Okay, we show you every day, and he'll meet you on his time and help you build whatever business, okay, you want to build. We have everything you need to dominate YouTube and rank consistently on Google, okay? Again, this is easy, but will you work it, okay? Will you put in the work, okay? Because if you work it, this system is going to be amazing for you. And this is the Home Business Academy Cost Breakdown Make Money Online Secrets. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Sollyman. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.